Your 13 weather forecast with Doug Meyers.
And a beautiful sunrise from our Capitol Federal Sky Cam at Maple Hill as we are officially 11 minutes past official sunrise at 6:08 right now. And see a little bit of a haze out there, maybe some patchy fog with all that moisture and humidity out there. Temperature at 76 degrees, south wind at 13 miles per hour. That dew point of 72, that's what's making it feel so muggy out there. Anytime it really gets above 65, that's when you really start to feel it. And then when it gets above 70, that's when it really starts to feel uncomfortable. And those dew points in the lower 70s, maybe upper 60s if we're lucky throughout the day. We'll only produce heat indices in the triple digits with those actual air temperatures in the 90s. 76 in Topeka, a little bit cooler in Emporia at 73, 77 in Manhattan, and 75 in Concordia. Winds have been breezy all night long with the south wind sustained 10 to 20 miles per hour. That's also have kept our temperatures a little bit on the warm and muggy side from last night into this morning. And as we take a look at winds and cloud cover on Supercast, we'll take a look at rain precipitation here in just a second. We'll continue with a windy southwest wind gusting as high as 35 miles per hour today. But notice around 4 or 5 o'clock, we start to notice a little bit of a wind shift in our far northwestern communities. And that's a cold front that will push through. Now, it may spark off a few spotty storms in our far northern counties. It is possible late this afternoon and this evening, but that chance is so small. I don't have it in the forecast now, but that's certainly something we're going to have to keep an eye on. I might have to put that in the forecast by midday today. Otherwise, as that cold front continues to push down to the south this evening, we'll see those winds shift over to the north and northeast, and we'll have partly cloudy skies overnight tonight, and those cloud cover really going to stick around for much of the day tomorrow, so we'll call it partly sunny with an east wind, not as windy as today, 5 to 10, maybe at times up to 15 miles per hour. But those cloud cover will keep us about 5 degrees cooler than what we have out there for today. So today will be similar to Saturday. Tomorrow I think will be similar to what we had on yesterday for the weekend. Satellite radar composite shows the storm system continue to push off to the east in Minnesota and northwestern Iowa. That's pushing to the east, not going to affect us. But as we take a look at Supercast, that cold front will start to affect us late this afternoon in our far northwestern counties. And out ahead of it could spark off a few isolated storms in extreme northeast Kansas. If they do go, they may be stronger, even severe, with hail and wind being the threats. I don't see a tornado threat with this. And as this cold front continues to push down to the south, still could spark off a few storms as long as the frontal boundary is still in the vicinity. And then notice how it turns into a stationary front tomorrow, but it starts to move up north as a warm front, and as that front continues to push up to the north, out ahead of it, we could have a few spotty showers and thunderstorms during the day on Tuesday as well. Now, Tuesday, I don't think the atmosphere is as unstable as what it is out there for today, so I don't expect severe weather for tomorrow, but certainly something to watch. So 97 degrees for today, clear skies, southwest wind 35 miles per hour, heat indices up to 109. We'll drop to 73 for the overnight low, slight storm chance, and then that chance continues into tomorrow. Most spots will be dry though. 91 for the forecast high. We're back up to the mid-90s on Tuesday with sunny skies, and then storms late Thursday into Friday. That's the best chance for rain across all of northeast Kansas. And then look at that, highs in the 80s by the weekends.